morning. I am Dr. K. Sumati, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Economics. I am working in KCS Kosma College of Arts and Science. Today we discuss the topic of cost. What is meant by cost? Cost is nothing but a production cost. In order to produce a commodity, some expenses takes place. That expenses is called cost. Costs play a very significant role in managerial decisions involving a selection between alternative course of action. Production function is one important determinant of the cost of a commodity. The other determinant of cost is the price of these inputs. The term cost of production means the expenses incurred in the production of a commodity. This refers to the total amount of money spent on the production of the commodity. Cost function. Cost function explains the relationship between the cost incurred in production and the output of the commodity. The graph of the cost function is called the cost curve. Types of costs. There are various types of costs. Let us discuss one by one. First one, money cost. Money cost of production are the aggregate money expenses incurred by a firm to produce a commodity. They include wages and salaries for laborers, cost of raw materials, expenditure on machinery and equipment, building and other capital goods, rent for buildings, interest on capital, normal profits of business, expenses on power, light, advertisement and transportation, insurance charges and all types of taxes. The total money cost includes both explicit costs and implicit costs. Next, explicit costs. Explicit costs are the expenses which are incurred by a firm in buying goods and services directly. They include rent for labor, interest for capital borrowed, wages and salaries paid for raw materials, power, light, advertisement, transportation, taxes, other depreciation charges. Explicit costs include those payments which are made by the employer to those factors of production which are not owned by the employer himself. So, explicit costs are paid out costs. Next, implicit costs. Implicit costs are the remuneration for the factors of production contributed by the entrepreneur himself. It includes wages for management, rent to the entrepreneur's land, and interest to the entrepreneur's capital. Real cost. The real cost of production refers to the physical quantities of various factors used in producing a commodity. The effort and the sacrifice of the producers is the real cost of production. According to Marshall, the real cost of production of a commodity is expressed not in money terms but in effort and sacrifice undergone in the making of a commodity. Opportunity cost or alternative cost. The concept of opportunity cost is based on a fundamental fact that wants are unlimited and means to satisfy them are limited. Thus, the problem of choose is involved. We have to choose the more urgent than the less urgent. If we choose one thing, we must sacrifice other. That means satisfaction of one want involves the sacrifice of another wants because the same resources cannot be used in both the way at the same time. Hence, the use of factors of production, a commodity, always involve loss of opportunities of producing of another commodity. The sacrifice or loss of opportunity of alternative use of a given resources in terms as opportunity cost. According to Benham, the opportunity of anything is the next best that could be produced instead of the same factor or by the equivalent group of factor consisting the same amount of money. Total cost is the sum of expenses incurred by the firm in producing a given level of output. Total cost is the sum of total fixed costs and total variable costs. Next, average cost or average total cost. Average cost or cost per unit is obtained by dividing the total cost by the number of units produced. Average cost equal to total cost divided by total output. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the additional cost made to the total cost by the production of one additional unit of output. Marginal cost is the rate of exchange of total cost for one unit of change in output. Marginal cost represents the change in the total cost for each additional unit of production. Marginal cost equal to change in total cost by change in total output. Fixed cost or total fixed cost. Fixed cost is a cost which do not vary with output in the short run. Total fixed cost is the amount spent by the firm on fixed inputs in the short run. Fixed cost is not dependent upon output. Fixed cost remains constant at all level of output. Fixed cost includes rent, depreciation, interest, machinery, equipment, salaries to the permanent staff, etc. Fixed cost is also called overhead cost or supplementary cost, but fixed cost may vary in a long run. Next, variable cost or total variable cost. Variable cost is a cost which do vary with output. Total variable costs are those costs which rise when output expands and fall when output contracts. These are the costs of all those factors of production whose the amount can be altered in the short run. Variable costs includes wages, raw materials, advertisement expenditure, power, etc. Total variable costs are called prime costs or direct costs. Average variable cost. Average variable cost refers to the variable cost per unit of output. It is obtained by dividing the total variable cost by the number of units of the output produced. Average variable cost equal to total variable cost by total output. Next, average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is obtained by dividing the total fixed cost by total output. Average fixed cost equal to total fixed cost by total output. Cost curves. TFC is total fixed cost. TVC total variable cost. TC is total cost. The total cost of the firm will increase with the increase in output. The total variable cost will also increase with the increase in output. The total fixed cost will be constant whatever be the output. Relationship between average and marginal cost curve. Average cost curve slopes downward. The marginal cost will be below average cost curve. When the average cost curve reaches at the minimum point, its slopes will be horizontal, that is, marginal cost and average cost intersect each other at the point of minimum. When the average cost rises upward, the marginal cost also rises upward, but the greater than average cost. Thank you.